Hey guys, welcome to Gatler's Workshop. Today we are going to take an old oil lamp. My dad gave me this oil lamp that he, I guess, used to use in his barn and no longer needed. I think it's pretty neat. It's got a cast iron holder for it that swivels, and the way this is designed, it looks to me like it is meant to be sat on top of this. I don't want to use it that way. I want to hang the lantern like this. So what I need to do is make a hook for this, and I'll put a decorative piece of wood on the top here to maybe make that into a certain shelf or something. I'm not exactly sure yet. But I have this little lamp kit that I'm going to wire into this and attempt to make it fit inside of that. I did this once before, but the glass was broken on the lamp, and I'll show a picture of the lamp that I did last time. So what I did with the old one, the first one that I did, was the glass was still intact, but there was a crack in it. So what I did was took fabric and wrapped that glass. I took it out, wrapped it with the fabric, and I used silicone. And I wrapped all the way around that fabric and let it dry, and then I smashed the glass out, and I had this silicone, like a rubber globe instead of glass. But this one is in good shape, so I want to try and keep the glass and fit this bulb mounted somewhere in here. And then mount this on the wall. That's why I can't put a hook like this, because it's not designed, the hardware is not designed to work that way. And unless I think of a way to make it work that way, I'm going to use it like this and hang it from here somewhere. All right, here we go. Thanks for watching Gatler's Workshop. Stay tuned for more videos, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice night.